Hello children, how are you? Children, in this video, I am going to explain the question number 2 of exercise 8.3 of the chapter 8, Algebraic Expression and Identities for class 8. Okay, number 2, we have to complete the table by finding the product of the two algebraic expressions. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Okay, now the first algebraic expression is, in this question, the first algebraic expression is A and the second expression is B plus C plus D. Okay, we have to find the product of the first and the second algebraic expression. So it will be A multiplied by B plus C plus D. Okay, so क्या करना है हमको? A is multiplied with B plus C plus D. It means A will be multiplied with B, C and D as well. Okay. आप कह सकते हैं this is a distributive property over of multiplication over A multiplied with B. So it will be A into B, or you can write AB also. कौन सा sign है यहाँ पे? Plus का sign है, so you will write. Put the plus sign here. Then A is multiplied with C, that is AC. Okay. Then plus A multiplied by D will be AD. So the product is AB plus AC plus AD. In the second question, the first expression is given x plus y minus 5 and the second expression is 5xy. We have to find the product of these two expressions. तो कैसे करेंगे? Okay, the first expression जो है x plus y minus 5 है, product find out करना है, so multiplication का sign आएगा 5 into xy. Okay, now आप क्या कर सकते हैं? This 5xy will be multiplied with x also, with y also and with 5 also. Okay, तो 5xy पहले multiply कीजिए x के साथ. Okay, then put the sign of plus because यहाँ plus का sign है. Then 5xy will be multiplied with y. Okay, then यहाँ पे कौन सा sign है? Minus का है, तो you will put minus sign here and then 5xy will be multiplied with this constant 5. Okay, अब यहाँ देखिए 5 x into x, they are the same basis. So according to laws of exponent, जब multiplication होता है basis same होते हैं, powers add हो जाते हैं. Okay, so put the or write the basis together here. Also y into y minus ये जो आपका constant term है, numerical constants जो है, that they are going to be multiplied. So 5 into 5 will be 25xy. Okay, and x base same है, powers will get added, so it will be x का square y. यहाँ पे mention नहीं है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? 1 होता है, तो 1 plus 1 2, so it will be 5x square y plus 5x y square minus 25xy. Okay, so the product is 5xy plus 5xy square minus 25xy. Now children, in the third part, what we have to do? In the third part, the first expression is p and the second expression is 6p square minus 7p plus 5. Okay, so we have to find the product. Multiply करना है हमको. The first expression p है, multiplication the sign will come here, and then the second algebraic expression is 6p square minus 7p plus 5. Okay, अब p का multiplication ये तीनों terms से होगा. So it will be 6p square into p. कौन सा sign है? Minus का sign है, so you will put the sign of minus here. Then 7p into p. Here plus का sign है, this plus का sign will come here. Then 5 into. Okay, यहाँ देखिए same basis are there, so powers will get added. So it will be 6p cube minus 7p into p. The bases are same, powers will get added, so it will be minus 7p square plus 5 into p will be 5p. So the product is 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p. Okay? Hello children. Back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. And in the fourth part, we have to multiply the first expression 4p square q square with the second expression p square minus q square. So 4p square in q square is multiplied with p square minus q square. It means 4p square q square will be multiplied with p square also and with q square also. है ना, p square के साथ भी multiplication होगा, q square के साथ भी. So पहले 4p square q square multiplied with p square. कौन सा साइन है? माइनस का, सो माइनस का साइन विल कम हियर. और फिर 4p square q square will be multiplied with q square as well. ठीक है. अब यहाँ देखिए जो आपका बेस है p square, यहाँ पे भी p square, bring them together, q square minus 4p square q square into q square. अब देखिए यहाँ पे बेस सेम है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का ऑपरेशन है, तो पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगे? ऐड हो जाएंगे. सो इट विल बी 4p 2 plus 2 power 4q square minus 4p square. यहाँ सेम बेस q है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का ऑपरेशन है, पावर्स विल गेट added. So it will be q to the power 4. So the product is 4p raised to the power 4 q square minus 4p square q raised to the power 4. Okay children? In the last part we have to multiply the expression a plus b plus c with the second expression a b c. Okay? तो देखते हैं कैसे करना है हमको. a plus b plus c is multiplied with a b c. a b c का मल्टीप्लिकेशन a के साथ भी होगा, b के साथ भी होगा और c के साथ भी होगा. ठीक है. so पहले a मल्टीप्लाइड विथ a b c. कौन सा साइन है? प्लस का, तो आप प्लस का साइन पुट करेंगे. b मल्टीप्लाइड विथ a b c. ओके. देन प्लस का साइन है, यू विल पुट प्लस साइन हियर, c into a b c. ओके. नाउ यहाँ बेस सेम है तो पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगे? ऐड हो जाएंगे. सो इट विल बी a स्क्वायर b c प्लस, ये देखिए a, यहाँ पे बेस b और b दोनों बेस सेम है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, तो पावर्स विल गेट एडेड. सो इट विल बी b स्क्वायर c प्लस, यहाँ देखिए c एंड c दे आर द सेम बेस, मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा है तो पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगे. सो द आंसर विल बी a b c square. Okay, so the product is a square b c plus a b square c plus a b c square. Okay children, if you are following my explanation and if you are okay and fine with the explanation, so do subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the like button, and also you can send your feedbacks also, and if you want to convey any of your doubts, then you can write to me in the comment section. Okay, thank you so very much.